Here are the most important reasons that influence on your repeating during footwork. First of all, a lack of foundation. Yes, exactly. The foundation is something that you start from at the very beginning of your dancing journey, and it's growing together with you through the years. Not enough of researching in your breaking, not enough of researching of new ideas and new steps, which means you basically stop on the very first idea that comes in your head and becomes comfortable for your body. So you never know, maybe you can do way better than this one. These two reasons are leading to the very poor arsenal of movements in your breaking, which means you're gonna repeat and there will not be enough of variations in your rounds, in your small combinations of footworks, and it will be really hard for you to create something new. Not enough of ciphers and battles at your practicing with your friends in order you can recheck how your ideas and combinations, variations can really work in the environment of ciphers and battles, and what you need to fix to make it better. One more very big problem that definitely can influence on the way how you're repeating your ideas and concepts is a lack of strong vision of breaking, a lack of self-confidence. All these moments are really visible while you're dancing, and when you're not believing in what you do, when you not believing in your steps and not giving the whole energy that you got to every small step, to every small detail, it will not work. If you don't believe, then other people will not believe you. Not enough of freestyle practicing. You have to develop these skills. You have to learn how to do freestyle. First of all, you started in the ciphers and in the battles at your practicing time with your crewmates, and then step by step you try to bring freestyle into the ciphers at the real jams, and of course the next step when you bring in freestyle skills to the real battles on the high level championships or events. When I'm speaking about freestyle, first of all I mean an ability to be able to react on not comfortable situations in your breaking. For example, if you crash, find nice and smooth way how to get out of the crash or create something interesting out of the crash. If you forgot what you wanted to do and you totally blank out, find a way how to fix it so nobody can see it, right? So freestyle is the freedom inside of your thoughts, inside of your concepts, movements, steps, inside of your style. You need to be able to connect it automatically without thinking what step is going to be next, and the main key to a good freestyle is music. A freestyle gives you opportunity to create something new right at the particular moment. So the more you become better in freestyle, the more new ideas and steps you can create, which means you can make your arsenal bigger, and that will help you not to repeat over and over again. A panic that appears while you're crashing and after you crashed gonna lead you for repeating. That's why you need to practice freestyle to be able to fix this problem and to be able to get out from the crashes in a good way. Don't be afraid to crash. Don't be afraid that people will think something wrong about you. Crashing is absolutely normal, and sometimes a crash can be way better than a really clean move, because you play with the crashes in such a good way that everybody was surprised. That's what I'm calling a good freestyle.